This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your camera application on your Android phone. So you can see before I can use my camera I have to type in a specific password. Now to do this, if you go to the Google Play Store, you can go ahead and get something called App Lock Pro. So if you just go to search right here, type in App Lock right here and type this in and get App Lock Pro right here, and then just accept the permissions when you open this up. And you have to type in a PIN, you have to create one, so I'm just doing 1111. Then if you go to the unlock section, just look for camera and then just press it and it will lock. So let's go to ChatGPT for example. Then it will be under the lock category. Here's my camera, and I can just tap it right here to unlock it. But since I have this locked, if I go to my camera option right here, there's some ads on here and stuff, that's fine, but I can't use my camera until I type in that password. Now I have access to my camera. You can do this with your photos too. So pretty much any application. So if you don't want people taking pictures without your knowledge or permission, go ahead and put a password on it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.